Hello friends, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. And in this Python video tutorial series, today you will learn a data type called set. So set is again one of the 4 built-in data types that are used for storing collection of data. You can create a set using curly braces or set constructor like this, or you can use as equal to set. Now set are unordered, unchangeable, and it doesn't allow duplicates. Once a set is created, you cannot change the item, but you can remove or add new items. And one small note here that true is considered as 1 in set. So let's say s equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me print the set s. You can get the length of set using length function. Set can have again all the data types into it, like int, float, string, bool. So for example, as equals to curly braces 1, 12.95, true, string, and if I print as, you can see it has all the values. You can use type function to make sure that s is set. You can see it is a set, and if I print it, you will see it is a class of set. In order to access the item, there are only 2 ways. One is using for loop for item in s. You can print the value s, item. Also you can get boolean return when you check if particular item is there or not. So for example, print string in s, you will see false, but if I correct this, yeah, string is not there, there is capital S. So if I do that, we see true. Set has add method. So when you say s dot add and you say new value, and if I print s, we see that a new value is added. You can use remove and discard to remove items from a set. So let me first print the set s. Oh, it's not capital S, but it's small s. And if I use s dot remove and provide the value, let's say string, let me use capital S, and if I print our set, you see that string is gone. But in case if I use set dot remove an element which is not there, let's say string, it will throw an key error that string is not there. But instead, if I use discard, we will not see that error again, because discard doesn't throw the error if that element is not present in the set, while remove throws an error if the element is not present. There is pop method which is used to remove an item, but when you use pop, it will randomly remove an item from the set. So let's see that. Let's say print s, and when I say pop, it will remove an item and it will also return the removed item as well. So 1 is removed. Looping over set is done through using a for loop. Let's say for item in S, and we can now have access to that item. Set doesn't allow indexing, just for your knowledge. There are multiple joins that you can have on sets. So let's say set 1 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and set 2 equals to, let's say, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and let's say S1 dot union S2. You'll see that we only see values unique to these two sets. So 4 and 5 doesn't come twice. Okay, 4 and 5 only came once. That is update as well. So S1 dot update S2. This will insert values of S2 into S1. So if I print S1, you'll see that values of S2 is inserted into S1, but again the values that are common are not repeated because set doesn't allow duplicate. So 4 and 5 only came once. Then there are for other methods, intersection update, intersection symmetric difference update and symmetric difference. So these 4 methods are used to get different elements from one set and comparing to other. For example, intersection will give intersection between S1 and S2. So when I say S1 intersection S2, and let me first run this so we see the correct results, and if I print S3, we'll see that the value 4, 5 came because 4, 5 is common in between. So in this way you can use these 4 methods to get a particular values from two set by comparing each other. Now sets has different methods like add, clear, copy. We have seen this. Differences, return a set containing the difference between two or more sets. Difference update removes the item in the set that are also included in another specified set. Discard to remove item, intersection update, and symmetric difference update, union and update. So these are the method used to get values from two sets. Then there are pop, remove, and is subset and is disjoint, return whether two sets have an intersection or not. So these are the few methods that you can have on set. So I hope this video is informative to you and you have learned about set. If you like my work, please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps. Thank you for watching. Peace.